Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Swan Green near Joka metro station, just 1.9 kilometer from Joka metro. And you can see this is a 2 BHK with having a size of 620 square feet sellable area, with having 2 bedroom and 2 toilets with 1 kitchenette. And you can see this is the grand living cum dining hall with attached kitchenette. Along with this beautiful window facing towards the water body, beautiful view from the window. And this side you can decorate your TV unit like this. And this is the main entry door. And this is the common toilet area. And now come inside. This is the first bedroom, and this bedroom is having a size of 9 by 10 with a balcony along with this bedroom. So it's a hanging balcony facing towards water body. It's beautiful water body view, and these are the external view of our complex. And now see, so come outside. This is the second bedroom or master bedroom with having a size of 10 by 10, and this bedroom is having windows on both the side for cross ventilation. And you can decorate your wardrobe like this. We are giving you the wardrobe space. You can decorate like this. This is to give you a glimpse how you can decorate. And this side you can see the internal loads of the complex. And from this window also you can have a view, great view of water body and outside city view. I am zooming in to give you a glimpse. So this is the view from the window. And this side, this is the common attached toilet space with western commode and the basin space. So thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe for further updates, and if you are interested then please call us as early as possible, because we are having single unit left of this size. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.